Are you a good boy? What? Hmm? Are you always going to listen? Are you always going to listen? Yes? Yes?
Oh, cute.
You're a good boy, huh? Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Yeah?
Oh,
What's your name? What's your name? Lucas? How big are you, Lucas? How big are you? Do your arms. How big are you? Do your arms up above your head. Almost. Higher. Because you're so big. Do it higher. You're so big. So big. So big. Where do you want to go? What? What do we do today? What do we do today? Did you watch Chloe at gymnastics? Hmm? Did you watch Chloe at gymnastics? What did she do? Crazy donkey kicks? Hmm?